Hello, people. Right, everyday doggy duties. As far as Zed is concerned, what you do, of course, with your dog is entirely up to you. I'm not here to dictate to anybody, but I'm just going to go through daily doggy duties. Zed, you can. We're gonna start with Toothy's brush. There's a good girl, gonna put it in. Always a good girl. Oh, she's such a good girl. And we start with a back, oh, good girl. Yes, that's a very good girl. And we just move up to the front one. Very nice, good girl. Oh, good girl, yes. Now, Zedgy, I've got to come round this side and we're out of shot. Come here, bub. Just come over here. And we're going to go in this side. Take me to the blue water. Take me inside. Take me to the blue water. Take me inside. Take me to the blue water. Get it a little up and down. Good girl. Thank you. Good girl. And rinse the brush. Worried about keeping your brush clean, but citric acid, okay, with some boiled water that mix together, let it cool, and clean your brushes. Now, yes. Now I've got to sit here. I don't know what camera angle we're going to be able to get, so I'll just try. Okay, I've forgotten one very important detail. As usual. And of course I've got a pause button and I'm not using it. I've got your ball. And I've got your food. Got me 80 grade sandpaper. And I got my tissue. Are you ready, Zeddy? Come here. Asti, oh good girl. Asti, it's comfortable for you sitting down. Good girl, give me a paw. Give me a paw. Good girl. Now, which needs doing today? Oh, we did quite well with those yesterday. Let's do this one. You ready? Keep going, Zeddy. Good girl. Take me outside. Take me to the blue water. Good girl, keep going. Take me outside. Take me to the blue water. Yes, Eddie. And whoa, and off she goes. And here she comes. I see. Good girl. Okay, give me a paw, Ed. Give me a paw, bub. Pause that, paw up. Oh, just give me a paw. On that one, I think. Good girl. Oh, a very good girl. She's a very, very good girl. Yes, just keep going, steady, because we don't need to do much on this one, so I'm going to do two. Good girl. Just stay, keep still. That's a good girl. Oh, yes, you're a very good girl. Look at that look of love. That look of love and trust. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, keep going. Good girl, good girl. Keep going. Good girl, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yes. All that road work made no difference to her claws except made the beds bruise. Good girls. I think it must be the raw diet has given her absolute like nail tough, iron tough claws. Asti, that's a good girl. Now, you're going to give me another paw. I don't know what we've done and what we haven't. Let me look. I'm just looking at the moment. Okay, let me know. Right. Good girl. Good girl. I'm going to do this one. I got mine not to catch feathers. Good girl. No. Good girl. Good girl. Keep going. Good girl, Ziggy. Good girl. Oh, I know. It's a stress yawn. Good girl. Keep going, Papa. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Good girl. Yep. Good girl. Asti? Yes. Right. What else have we got? Give me a paw. Let's see what we've got left to do on this paw. Okay, we've got to do a little bit. No, you stay. Don't be silly. Got to do this little outside one here, okay? Just let mummy do it. Be brave, be strong, and trust your mummy all along. Good girl. Good girl. Keep going. Good girl. Keep going. Keep going, Zeddy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Keep going. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Keep going. No, no. No, no. Zeddy, come close. Zeddy, come close. Dusty. Give me paw, please. Thank you very much. We just got a little bit more to do on that one, and then we'll call it a day, all right? Got a little bit more to do on this one. Okay? Come on. Good girl. Difficult. You rest. Right. Relax your elbow. That's it. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. That's better. Good girl. Keep going, Zeddy. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good girl. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good girl. Keep going. Yes. That'll do for today. Yeah, good girl. That's just doing, the 4 claws at the front. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, now every day, good girl. She's very hungry. Been back on the field today. She's a very happy little girl, aren't you? Are you happy? Are you happy? How happy are you? You very happy? Are you very happy? Are you very happy? Are you very happy? Shh. No, whisper. That's barking. Shh. No, whisper. No, whisper. Why don't you be like these huskies that are getting loads of views and all they're doing is typing words into the Give me nose, love. Give me nose. I love you. I love you. Do you love me? Yes, do you love me? Oh, do you love me? Do you love me, Zeddy? Do you love me? You look good, love. Oh, that's good. I see. Meerkat. Cross paws and switch. Switch. Cross. Cross. Good. Switch. Switch. Switch them over. Yes. Cross. Get up, meerkat. Switch. Cross. Cross. Switch. Switch. Good. Cross. Switch. Get up. Meerkat. Switch. Switch it over. Yes. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. There we go. Oh, you're hungry. She's so hungry now she's finished her season. Yes. You've got a great big bag of food there. What else can we do? Let me think for a minute. Let me think. Do you want to do limping? We can do limping. Yes, we can do limping. We can do limping. Mummy needs to remember she's got a pause button there. Right, Zeddy. And turn. Come here. Come here. Over here. Right. Limp paw. Limp, Zed. Zed, focus. Limp paw. Limp. Yes, good girl. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Good girl. So I think we ought to say goodbye to the people because Mummy keeps forgetting she's got a pause button, babe. She goes, you'll get used to it, Mummy. Don't you worry. I see, Bubby. Do you think I'd get used to it, darling? Do you reckon I'd get used to it? Do you think so? Oh, I love you. Can I nose love? Yeah, can I more nose love? And more nose love. I'm lacking in love. I am. Oh, yes. And I love you. Yeah, I do. Right, you're going to go wavy. Please like, share and subscribe.